my hand. Oh, there we go. We'll see how big that one is too while we're at it. Hello. I mean, I got a 26 and a 25, so 24 keeps. A thick 24 keeps. And I'm hooked up on the other rod too. A little bit pops free. This thing's fighting too. I said, this is a nice class of fish here right now. Do you hear the drag going? She's running. And mind you, this on a trout rod. Ah, she's gonna be close. She's pretty. That's a healthy one. We're gonna find out how big she is. She's got some thickness to her. Definitely a legal fish, but if it's $25, barely 25, but I hooked another one. Another tank. This one might be overslot here. Swim into the net, damn you. So there we go. That was probably like a 16-incher. Oh shit. Goody, I got a big one on the ultralight. Yep. Like a real big one. It doesn't even know it's hooked, I don't think. Woo! To Nick? The other day I actually talked to him. He didn't tell me that. He didn't tell me he was looking for a house. How do you like the new rod? He said he was looking for a house. Damn, well, good for him. This is ultralight fishing. How do you like this rod?
Oh yeah. All right, brother.
Ooh, come on. Dude, this is ridiculous, Goody. You know that ultralight that I got for crappie fishing? Goody? Yeah, that's what's on? Oh, and airplanes are flying today too? Oh. Dude, I can't get this thing up. The rod is an L right now. This is fucking ridiculous, Goody. I can't move them. Oh, wrong way. Nope, 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 nope. I fucked with the rudder, Goody. Mistakes were made. Jesus Christ, he's off in the fucking middle of the lake again. Well, technically it's considered Lake Rudee. Oh, that's a fucking beautiful fish. Jeez. Oh, and another run. Oh, no, 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 no. He's actually pulling me. Like, I cannot fucking. He's with the other fish right now. Oh. Oh, he's in the net. Oh. That is a beautiful fish.